Hey guys, good morning. Truthfully, I had nothing to film today because I've been sick and I don't really feel all that great. But I did feel well enough to start moving my body again. This is the first time that I've worked out in like a week. And I just more wanted to get my muscles moving. I wanted to stretch. I wanted to get the blood flowing. So I did a really quick, moderate intensity total body workout, and then I just ended with some stretches. So I'm going to show you that workout now. This is a great workout if you're a beginner, or if you're like me and you're just kind of getting your body back to moving. If you've been sick, it is flu season. Get your flu shots, people.
When you're needing someone to bring you freedom, 'cause you're out of saving grace. When the world comes undone and you're feeling outrun, and it's more than you can take. When you're waiting for that phone call or some wild revelation, but you can't relate, and the magic's fabricated. Let me be that familiar escape, infinitum. Between two walls, we're overwhelmed but keeping on. Tried to up your pace, but tripped and lost the pace and couldn't make it on your own. When you're waiting for that phone call or some wild revelation, but you can't relate, and the magic's fabricated. Let me be that familiar escape, infinitum.
Busy day today. This morning we have swimming lessons again. What is on my shirt? I think I spilled water everywhere. We have swimming lessons, which I had talked about a little bit, but we've taken a little bit of a break from swimming because I don't think that Henry's getting a lot of benefit from it. And the day that he used to go to swimming, he's in school now. We used to go on Tuesday mornings. So we're gonna try out a Wednesday 9 a.m. class. It's a different teacher. I'm gonna see if I like it. If I like it, I'm gonna keep going. If I don't like it, from swimming lessons, and I have all of this laundry to fold. I've already kind of started. So I figured I wanted to talk to you guys about some stuff anyway. So I figured I could fold my laundry and talk at the same time. So really, I'm a little bit torn with the direction of my channel, and I'll tell you why. I really wanted this channel when I first started it to be like all-encompassing health. So I wanted it to be not only sharing workouts with you guys that I've created and recipes, but also just like tips to dealing with different stressors as it relates to maybe like lack of motivation, or if you can't get over a certain hump or level of your fitness goals, or when it comes to parenting, and then like also pregnancy, because you know eventually Jim and I are gonna start trying for baby number 2, and I really wanted, if that's something that you guys were interested in, I would love to, I thought initially that I would highlight all that and show it, and show, you know, like how I stay healthy while I'm pregnant. Forgive my voice, I'm still getting over this sickness that Henry and I got, and I'm just I feel great. I feel a lot better, I should say. I'm just really nasal, like congested sounding, so I'm sorry. But yeah, so that's what I thought. And then I think until you start making YouTube videos, you don't realize how challenging it is to get your content out there and to have people actually even be able to see it, like to know that you're around. And so I had no clue, and I naively was just like, I'm gonna make a YouTube channel and, you know, kind of model it after certain formats that I like, I enjoy watching, and I'd be able to reach a bunch of people and, you know, help people and whatever. Well, it's just not really happening. And one of the reasons that it's not really happening is because I'm so small, which is crazy which is, you know, the hard part is like nobody knows me because I'm small, and my YouTube algorithm is not pushing my content out to viewers because I'm small, and because I haven't had, you know, like a viral video or something that's been picked up and shared a bunch of times, or and I just haven't, you know, I grew my Instagram, I'm growing, I should say, my Instagram account right along with my YouTube channel. Henry, you okay?
Yeah.
Okay. And so it's not like I had that following from Instagram that could come over to YouTube. And what I've noticed is it's hard for a lot of people. You know, some people either have a really big Instagram and a moderate sized YouTube channel, or vice versa. And then of course there are people that are just knocking it out of the park. And you know, I started my YouTube channel for fun. I don't, you know, this is not something that I'm trying to turn into a job or anything like that. I really did start this channel for fun, and I'm going to continue my channel. I'm just not sure of the format and how I'm going to continue it for the immediate future, because the way that YouTube works, their algorithm, is the more consistent content that you upload, also on a very consistent and regular basis, the more that the algorithm, I should say, not they, it's not like somebody's sitting behind a computer deciding what video gets pushed out, but the algorithm will recognize my content and start suggesting it. So if you're a new channel like me and you do a fitness video and you do a healthy eating video, while those two are very related, and arguably you can't really live a fit and healthy lifestyle if your diet is garbage. So while they are absolutely related, in YouTube's mind, you have to tag videos the same way that you use hashtags on Instagram. And so you use hashtags that are relevant to what you're posting, right? Like I would not put a hashtag for like vegan meal recipes under a picture of me after a workout, right? Like unless I was talking about a vegan meal that I had made, whatever. Okay, just as an example. I wouldn't hashtag.
Hey, Mom.
Yeah, baby?
I'm going to pee.
All right, let's do it. Sorry, potty training a toddler, so we had to take a little break. But yeah, like I was saying, I wouldn't tag a makeup company in a fitness post, right? Like, you know, sometimes I share just like my workouts. So it's kind of the same thing with tagging YouTube videos. So when you make a YouTube video, before you publish it, you have to tag it. And it needs to be tags that are relevant to your video. And then YouTube kind of gets a sense of what that video is about, along with a bunch of other like boring stuff like SEOs and blah, 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 blah. But YouTube gets an idea of not only your video, but your channel. And so if I'm uploading a day in the life of a mom vlog, and then right after that I'm uploading a 30-minute HIIT workout, YouTube isn't really getting it. Like, they're not really getting what my channel is about.
Yeah.
And so
hi, Emmy and Jack, Emmy go back home.
Okay,
Emmy, Emmy goes to Emmy and Jack.
Henry,
Emmy
Henry,
and
listen,
Jack.
Henry,
Emmy.
Henry, if you go sit quietly in the living room, you can have a cookie as soon as I'm done, okay?
It's a pink one.
A sprinkle one, deal.
Thank you, Mom.
You're welcome. So yeah, I grabbed my kid. And so since they're not recognizing what it is that they can't really gather what my channel is about, I have to make very specific videos for a while. So bigger channels, like one that I love and aspire to be like, would be Sarah's Day. She makes all sorts of videos, but she has the viewers and the subscribers that it doesn't matter. She can make the kind of videos that she wants. But now, because YouTube is such a saturated market, specifically in the fitness industry, you have to be very, your niche has to be really, really small. So for me, I think right now what I'm gonna do is post mostly workouts on my channel for right now, which is kind of, I would say it's like 60-70% of my videos as it is, so it's not like a huge jump for me. But I think until I grow a little bit more and I gain not only some more subscribers, and I'm so proud, and it's maybe a small number to most, but I'm so proud and grateful for the subscribers I have and the people who watch my videos and interact with my content. Like, I really, really thank you, and it means a lot to me, and I don't take it lightly, and I don't take it for granted. So I think for now, I'm going to stick to workouts on my channel. Maybe with an occasional like full day of eating, because I am changing up a couple things in my diet right now. And then what I'm thinking about what I've started doing behind the scenes is creating a blog. So I never really thought that I was like somebody who would be good at blogging. There's a lot that goes into blogging. It's not just the blog itself and writing. There's so much, and I'm not even gonna scratch the surface on it right now because I have a lot on my plate. I have a lot that I'm working on that I cannot wait to share with you guys. But I think the blog is a happy medium for me right now, where not only are you gonna be able to go there and find all of my YouTube videos, I'm gonna also create printable workouts that you guys can take with you to the gym or just print out and do them at home. And then on the blog, I'm also gonna have recipes, because I love cooking and I love creating meals for my family that are healthy but still taste really good and fulfilling. So I think that's a good balance for me, is I can have the blog and share my healthy recipes, as well as my workouts and anything else that I want to, like, favorites videos. There are products that I love and I want to share with you guys. Skincare products, makeup products, protein powders, healthy snacks, all that. Like, I want to share that with you. And I feel like for right now, unfortunately, YouTube is making me stay in one very specific box, and jumping out hurts my channel, and I make these videos and nobody sees them. So for now, I'll let you guys know when my blog goes live. It'll be pretty soon, I would think, definitely by early October. So for right now, we're gonna do just workout videos on the YouTube channel, and then my blog will have everything. Almost. So yeah, I just wanted to give you guys that little update. If you like this video, make sure that you give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. You guys know the drill. If you tried the workout, and let me know what you think. Let me know in the comment section below. And I'll see you guys in my next video, my next workout video. Okay, bye.